I presented this morning at the ABA Tech Show, Newly on Your Own, Best Practices for Starting Up a Solo or Small Law Office. And the main idea behind this particular seminar is to take you through that first year of business. Before you open your doors, when you get that first client in the door, and then at the end of your first year. So the 5 things that I'm going to recommend are going to come at that critical before you open your door stage. Number 1, make sure you're using technology. You know you're going to need a computer, you know you're going to need printer, email, all of that. Get someone to help you make that decision. Make sure it's someone that has either done this before, another attorney, a peer mentor, or go ahead and find an IT consultant who's willing to give you a consultation on what they have done for other people in your similar situation. Person I want you to talk to is an accountant. Very key from the very beginning. You need to make sure you can file your tax returns, get your reporting done, and also have an idea of what your budget is. If you've got $5,000, you need to know how you're going to spend that money and need to make sure that you've got what you need for that end of the year. Next thing I'm going to tell you to do is make sure that you understand the concept of cash flow versus time. Because any opportunity that you're going to be presented with, it's going to have one of those 2 items that's going to be the push or the pull. Either you're going to have more cash flow so you can pay somebody else to do it for you, or if you're low on cash flow, you're going to have to take more of your own personal time to get that goal accomplished. And you're going to need to understand that. Next thing, get used to the idea that you're not getting a paycheck anymore. It doesn't show up regularly on the first week, the second week, or even maybe the 3rd month. With that, you're going to need to make sure you've got a budget, some savings, some idea behind it, or at least a plan of what to do if no business is coming in the door. Final thing I'm going to tell you, how you get business in the door, market yourself. Make sure that you have a website. A lot of the domains now will allow a free do-it-yourself website where all you have to do is type in your name. Get your name out there, get on LinkedIn, get yourself networking. You can be your best person as a carnival barker or even as a blogger online to make sure that your name is the one that they are putting with the expert in that field.